here. I'm doing this intro today from my car. I just arrived at the airport. It's been a really busy day so far. I had human factors and aviation class this morning, and then I attended the walkout against sexual violence at Western University. I don't know if you've heard about those news stories. Very saddening stories coming out of my university this couple of weeks, first couple of weeks of school. I condemn sexual violence and discrimination of any kind. It's awful to hear about. So I wanted to definitely make an appearance at school for the walkout. And after that, I hustled home, grabbed my stuff. I planned the flight already this morning. I have spoken to a weather briefer today about the clouds. They're a bit iffy. I also spoke to an instructor who told me that I should come in and see if we can make this happen. But I'm not optimistic that I'll be flying today, and just because it's better to be safe than sorry, and it looks a little bit worse to the east than to the west. But it's still improving. There's still 45 minutes before I fly, so just wait and see. And I guess if you see the next clip, that means we're going.
Oh, hi there, folks. Sorry about that. It took a really long time to get a briefing from two instructors. You have to get two instructors to sign off on your stuff at this flight school for cross countries. It took a really long time to find two instructors, so I had to rush through all these starting stuff. Obviously, it's all to procedure. It all went well. And now we're just running through all this. So electrical equipment not required, flight instruments and avionics are being set. Half left, half up, check, check. Okay, we're going to be going direct to CY N3. Oh, that's CY N Y 3. Enter. Activate. Okay. Mixture of leading that a bit.
London International, information Yankee, weather at 1900 Zulu, wind 160 at 10, visibility 15.
On the ground, good afternoon, Container Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar with Yankee.
Oh, Delta Foxtrot Oscar on the ground.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar's on apron 3, request taxi for a VFR flight to Collingwood at 3,500 via the Alpha intersection departure of Able.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar, runway 15, wind 190 at 8, altimeter 3011. Taxi via Alpha, squawk 1240, contact tower 119.4, holding short runway 15.
Taxi Alpha, hold short 15, squawk 1240, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Pump is on. Mixture full rich. Oil temperature is above 75. Throttle 1700. Max left.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar Tower at Alpha, line up runway 15.
Line up 15, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Right, landing strobe is on. From the flaps of takeoff, lights set, flaps of takeoff, transponder squawking standby. We'll wait for it to be alt when we're airborne. We'll check that.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar Tower, left turn out on departure, run 180 F5 from Alpha, clear takeoff, runway 15.
Left turn out, clear takeoff 15, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar.
Victor Tango Echo Tower, identified 1,400 feet.
Center line, heading is correct.
1,400, Victor Tango Echo.
Power's in, gauges green, airspeed's alive, the RPM's holding. 44, rotate.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar, tower identified 1,300 feet.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Flaps, cruise, fuel pump off, pressure stable. And starting the left turn. Hi there, we're level still at 3,500 en route towards Collingwood. The GPS is showing about 16, 17 minutes estimated time en route from here. That's giving 37 nautical miles, and yeah, so we're just enjoying the scenery right now, completing all of our ground speed checks and all what we need to do on the cross country. Yeah, it's actually really nice over here. That's kind of what the weather briefer said it would be like, and it was definitely right. So glad I came out today, and it doesn't look like I'll be able to get up to 45 on the way back, which is what we'd have to do to comply with the cruising altitudes order. So it'll be 3,000 on the way back. It is a bit bumpy down low, but right here is actually smooth, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's going very well. The GoPro has not fallen off of the thing, the plexiglass just yet, which is great. And yeah, so we're just out here having a great time. It's a great flight, and yeah, it's nice tailwind as well. The way back's going to be a bit longer. We're making okay time. They said that we don't need to be back directly at 5:30. Bring the plane back before 6 and they'll be okay. So that's probably what we're going to aim for, just because we did leave over half an hour behind schedule, just because of that sign out issue. Yeah, so I've just been, I had a snack and a drink a little while ago, keeping myself energized, because that is very important up here. And yeah, so we'll just keep on going and start prepping the arrival soon. Camera's not going to be in a place where you can see the instruments later. I'm not sure how clear it really is in the other videos either, just because it's so far away. But yeah, we'll make it work. You got a nice view out the front, hopefully, and yeah, hopefully it's not sideways as well. So we'll see you probably before we land. And thanks for tuning in as always. Alright, I'll just get the pre-descent checks, makes full ridge, fuel pump on, makes both, gauges all in the green, and we'll call up Collingwood. Collingwood Unicom, Catana Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is 7 minutes southwest at 3,500, request advisory. I don't know why I almost said uniform there. That was a weird one.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar at Collingwood Unicom. Current winds are out of the south at about 13 knots. Kind of a direct crosswind either for runway 13 or 31. Last runway in use was runway 13. And we have no other reported traffic in the circuit this time.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar, that's understood. We're looking at runway 13 and we'll cross from the sort of west as a mid-left downwind for runway 13. Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar.
We check those remarks, thanks.
Collingwood traffic, Golf Uniform Bravo is on base for 13, full stop. Traffic, Tango Romeo Mike is crossing over the field at circuit altitude, joining mid left downwind for 13.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar has the traffic in sight crossing over the field. We'll follow you. Collingwood traffic, Tango Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is now crossing overhead the field at circuit altitude, joining mid left downwind for 13.
Collingwood traffic, Tango Romeo Mike established on the downwind for 13. Collingwood traffic, Tango Romeo Mike turning base for 13.
Tango Romeo Mike, what is your intentions?
We're doing a stop and go.
Okay, roger. Speed is below 100 knots, takeoff. Bring that power back. I don't know where that guy is. He hasn't said anything in a bit. Collingwood traffic, Tango Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is final 13 for a touch and go. Collingwood. Flaps, take off. Light is good. Power back in. And rotate.
Midland traffic, Airstrip 524 citation is 11 mile final 16.
Collingwood traffic, Tango Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is clear of 13. Collingwood. Collingwood traffic, Tango Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is clear of the circuit departing southwest back towards London. Collingwood. Back to London. There is much stronger of a headwind than, well, it's a headwind rather than a tailwind, so we are going a bit slower, but that's alright. We should be back anytime pretty soon. That's probably the next clip you'll see. We'll be back in London. Thanks for continuing to follow along, and we'll see you there. London Tower, good afternoon. Tango Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar with Zulu.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar on turn.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is just outside of 18 miles to the northeast at 3,000 inbound, full stop.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar, Tower squawk ident, runway 15, altimeter 3009er.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar, Tower identified, northeast, cleared left base, runway 15.
Cleared left base 15, Delta Foxtrot Oscar. London Tower, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is established in the left base 15, full stop.
Delta Foxtrot Oscar, Tower number 1.
Check number 1, Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Is below 78, flaps landing.
7 Juliet Zulu Tower, exit Delta. What's your destination on the field?
We are going to execute initiation, Zulu and Delta.
7 Juliet Zulu, roger. Continue the taxi then via Delta Golf to apron 3. Monitor ground frequency on the way, 121.9.
Delta Golf for 3 and wind 23 ground radio.
Delta Foxtrot, Oscar Tower, wind 190 at 13, clear to land, runway 15.
Cleared to land 15, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Tower, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is exiting 15 on Delta.
Delta Foxtrot Tower, roger, contact ground 121.9.
Over to ground 21.9 Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Landing ground, Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar is exited 15 on Delta, request taxi for Abra 3.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar, landing ground, taxi via Golf Abra 3.
Golf Abra 3, thanks for your help, Delta Foxtrot Oscar. Alright, that was a pretty good trip. I enjoyed that one a lot. Collingwood, beautiful. Definitely one of the top places. That and Goderich are my favorite destinations that I've been to so far. Waterton was nice, but you know, the landscape and geography around the Goderich
Tower, wind 20013, clear to land, runway 15.
Collingwood were beautiful.
15 and plan for Alpha.
Alpha is clear, both sides. London Radio, good evening. Katana Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar, London Radio.
Golf Delta Foxtrot Oscar, we just parked back up in London and we'd like to close our flight plan.
Here, PFR flight plan is closed. Mark service terminated. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.